south off.
I gotta get nothing out of that.
It gets clogged there a little bit.
What?
Oh, fuck.
Fucking tail nip that shit.
Yeah.
Yo, Charlotte Russe is my shit. Ask
Really?
Jeff.
I know.
That's the only place I buy underwear from mostly.
Exactly.
I already did.
Are you serious?
I swear to fucking God.
Are you serious?
Ask Jeff. He got me a gift certificate to that shit last year.
Thanks for my beer, babe.
Oh, I didn't know you need another one. I just took out all the empties.
It's like trying to get more. You said yes.
I'll get it for you.
I'll tell you the truth.
Quick question on taste, so it'll tell you the truth.
Shit, Brady, what you got?
Quish, I know that's not your first cup still. You
I'm
better
sorry.
drink that shit.
I'm drinking it. What do you think I'm doing?
Margaritas. This bitch can't drink for shit. That's her first fucking cup and we're on our third. Drink. Oh, drink up, Quay. Yeah, you heard. That's my baby. Ugh. I'd kill you. How do you stop it?